Have you ever felt that you've done everything right? You've visualized, affirmed, written your goals, believed in the process, and yet nothing seems to be happening? You listen to manifestation teachers, watch inspiring videos, repeat your affirmations daily, but the reality in front of you doesn't seem to shift. This frustration is not unusual. In fact, nearly every conscious creator goes through a period of stagnation, where it seems like the universe is silent, progress slows, and all the spiritual work feels pointless. But here's the truth most people don't realize. Manifestation isn't about forcing the universe to give you something. It's about aligning your energy to become the version of you who naturally attracts it. The moment you stop chasing and start becoming, energy begins to shift in your favor. In this powerful guide, we'll explore the energetic reasons behind manifestation frustration and how to transmute that stagnant vibration into flow, clarity, and magnetic attraction. The first reason your manifestations feel stuck is resistance. Resistance is the subconscious tension between what you desire and what you currently believe is possible. You might say, "I want abundance," but deep inside, a quiet voice whispers, "I'm not worthy of wealth." Or you might affirm, "I am in a loving relationship," while your energy says, "But love always hurts me." This inner contradiction sends mixed frequencies to the universe. And since energy matches energy, the outer world simply mirrors that inner confusion. Think of it like tuning a radio. You cannot tune to a jazz station while your dial is set to static. The music is already playing, but you need to align to its frequency. Tightness in your chest or gut when thinking about your goal. Repeated almost there moments, like success slipping through your fingers. Feeling jealous, impatient, or doubtful. Saying affirmations that feel fake or hollow. The key to shifting this is not to fight resistance, but to acknowledge and soften it. Take a deep breath now. Feel where in your body your frustration lives. Is it in your chest, your stomach, your mind? Close your eyes and whisper, "It's safe to feel this. It's safe to let this go." When you honor resistance with compassion, it starts to dissolve. Every thought, emotion, and belief you hold emits a vibration. This vibration either attracts or repels experiences that match its frequency. When your dominant vibration is frustration, doubt, or impatience, the universe must mirror that by delivering more situations that trigger those same feelings. This is why trying too hard backfires. The energy of desperation communicates lack. Imagine two people wanting success. Person A visualizes success, feels grateful for progress, and trusts the process. Person B visualizes, but constantly checks results, wonders why it's not working, and feels anxious. Who do you think manifests faster? Person A's energy says, I already have it. Person B's energy says, it's missing. The universe only responds to the energy of having, not the energy of wanting. To shift this, you must move from I want to I am becoming. This is the energetic bridge between desire and manifestation. If you've been feeling stuck or angry that your manifestations aren't arriving, you are actually standing at a powerful threshold. Frustration is a sign that your vibration is ready to evolve. It's your soul saying, you've outgrown the old way of thinking. It's time to upgrade. Let's go through a gentle energy shifting process you can do right now. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. Now whisper, I release the need to control how my desires come to me. I trust that what is meant for me is already finding me. Let your shoulders drop. Let your mind rest. You don't need to figure out the how. Your only job is to align your energy with peace and trust. Visualization is powerful, but feeling is what creates quantum alignment. Ask yourself, if I already had what I want, how would I feel? Peaceful? Free? Grateful? Confident? Now, close your eyes and allow yourself to experience that emotion, right now. Let the energy of having replace the energy of wanting. You're not pretending, it's rehearsal for the real thing. You're teaching your subconscious that it's safe to receive. Gratitude isn't just a mindset, it's a vibrational state that magnetizes blessings. When you feel grateful, you tell the universe, I already see how abundant I am. And the universe says, then here's more. Each morning, before touching your phone, say, thank you for this new day, this breath, this chance to realign. Focus on small things, sunlight, comfort, even the lessons from challenges. Every moment of gratitude shifts your vibration closer to your desired frequency. Attachment is another subtle energy block. When you constantly check whether your manifestation has arrived, you vibrate at doubt rather than trust. Attachment says, if I don't have it now, I'm incomplete. Surrender says, I'm already whole, and what I desire is aligning in divine timing. Think of the universe like a seed. You plant it, water it, nurture it, and then you let it grow unseen for a while. You don't dig it up every day to see if it's sprouting. That would kill the roots. The same applies to manifestation. When you detach, you allow the energy to flow naturally. Here's a powerful affirmation to help you release attachment. I release all timelines and trust that what is mine is already on its way. The quickest way to shift your energy is to start being the person who already has what you desire. Ask yourself, how does my future self think, feel, and act? For example, if your goal is financial freedom, how does the abundant version of you manage energy? Not just money, but mindset, confidence, and self-worth. If you want love, how does your most radiant, secure self treat themselves daily? Energy shifts the moment you live as if. Wake up and dress like someone who loves life. Speak to yourself kindly. Act with confidence even before the evidence appears. This is not fake it till you make it. It's feel it till you become it. Find a quiet place. Sit or lie down comfortably. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let my words guide your energy. As you breathe, imagine a golden light surrounding your body. This light is calm, loving, and powerful. It begins to dissolve the frustration, the doubt, the impatience that you've been holding on to. Each exhale releases resistance. Each inhale fills you with alignment. Now imagine standing on a bridge between two worlds. Behind you is everything you've struggled with: confusion, waiting, wanting. Ahead of you lies everything you've dreamed of: peace, clarity, abundance, love. Take a gentle step forward. With each step, your vibration rises. You begin to feel lighter, freer, more open. Now whisper to yourself, I am ready to receive. I am open to flow. My energy is aligned with my highest good. Feel the universe responding, not in the future, but right now. Energy is already rearranging itself for you. You are in harmony with creation itself. Sometimes, the universe hides progress in stillness. When it seems like nothing is changing, that's when deep inner transformation is taking place. You may not see the roots growing, but they are. You may not see the bridge being built, but it's forming beneath the surface. Your only task during this pause is to stay aligned, patient, and open. Keep your vibration gentle, not forceful. Your peace is the proof that your manifestation is near in quantum reality. All possibilities already exist. Every version of you that has ever dreamed something exists somewhere in this energetic field. You don't attract your desires, you tune into them. Your dream life isn't in the future. It's in a parallel reality waiting for you to align vibrationally. When you embody that energy, reality reorganizes around you. So the next time you feel frustrated, remember, you're not waiting for it to happen, you're remembering how to become it. Here are a few simple ways to maintain a high vibration every day. Morning grounding. Spend 5 minutes breathing deeply and visualizing golden light entering your body. Affirmation ritual. Use affirmations that feel emotionally true. For example, I am open to new blessings. Good things are always unfolding for me. I trust in divine timing. movement meditation, dance, stretch, or walk mindfully. Physical motion shifts stagnant energy. Energy cleanse visualization. Imagine a waterfall of white light washing away tension and old beliefs. Nighttime gratitude. Before sleeping, name 3 things you appreciated that day. Gratitude seals the vibration of abundance. Manifestation is not about controlling the universe, it's about aligning with it. It's not about getting what you want, it's about becoming who you truly are. When frustration arises, it's your soul signaling that you're ready to move from force to flow, from wanting to allowing, from effort to embodiment. Let today be the moment you stop chasing and start receiving. Take a deep breath and whisper, I am energy. I am aligned. I am ready. And as you carry this peaceful vibration into your day, the outer world will begin to mirror it back, one beautiful manifestation at a time.